Hi there, students. Apex. Okay, the apex is the peaked top of something. For me, apex makes me think about a triangle, and the apex is the point at the top. But in geometry, the apex is the highest point of a plane or a solid relative to the bottom. So the apex means the pointed end of something. So a leaf could have an apex. Look at this leaf here. It's got an apex. It's got a little sharp bit at the top. That's the apex, the very top of it. Yeah. The tip of a growing shoot, the point of something, the point where it comes to a sharp bit. Yeah. An apex is where you draw two lines, and the apex is this point. Then we also use this word figuratively, meaning the moment of greatest success, the moment of greatest expansion, the culmination, the high point, the pinnacle, the peak. So when was Roman society at its apex? I don't know, probably about 100 BC or something like that. Maybe I got that wrong though. Okay, so the apex, the highest point of a structure, the apex of the roof, the top of the roof, the apex of a hill, the very top. Yeah, the apex, the pointed end of an object. Yeah, and then the highest level obtained, the highest degree. So at the apex of his career, he was made prime minister. Yeah, he still has to reach the apex of his career, the summit, the most important part, the highest point. Yeah, the apex of a pyramid. Yeah, he reached the apex of his sporting career when he won a gold medal at the Olympics. Yeah, so the apex, it's the pointed end. Yeah, okay, the highest point of something, the maximum that something reaches, the crown, the height. So an apex predator, the one who's at the top of the food chain, the food triangle, somebody who eats everything else. Yeah, he's at the apex of the organization. Yeah, he's right at the top of it. Yeah, he's at the tip of it, at the peak of it. Yeah, so yeah, he's it's at its highest point. So apex, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. Sounds a bit mathematical, but it works fine. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin apex, meaning the point or the tip or the summit of something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Apex.